Hello and welcome to the full course online. In this video, I'll explain what a VirtualBox snapshot is and show you how to create, use, and restore snapshots step by step. Snapshots are extremely useful when you want to test software, make system changes, or experiment without the risk of breaking your virtual machine. Before creating a snapshot, make sure your virtual machine is either powered off or running in a stable state. Snapshots can be taken while the machine is running, but for beginners, it is safer to take a snapshot when the virtual machine is powered off. From the list of virtual machines on the left, select the virtual machine for which you want to create a snapshot. Click on the Take Snapshot menu. Then click Take. Enter a meaningful name for the snapshot so you can easily remember why it was created. After entering the snapshot name and description, click OK. VirtualBox will now create the snapshot. This process usually takes only a few seconds. Once the snapshot is created, it will appear in the snapshot list. This snapshot represents a saved state of your virtual machine at that moment. Now we are going to start the VM. Once the VM is open, let us install Firefox browser. After the installation is complete, shut down the VM. Again, click Snapshot and add another snapshot after the installation of Firefox. The second snapshot is also created. Now let's see how to restore a snapshot. Select the virtual machine and switch to the Snapshots view again. From the list, click on the snapshot you want to restore. In our case, it is we want to revert back to VM state before Firefox installation. With the snapshot selected, right-click Restore. Or click the Restore button from the toolbar. VirtualBox will ask for confirmation. Confirm the action, and the virtual machine will be reverted back to the exact state it was in when the snapshot was taken. After restoring the snapshot, start the virtual machine. You will notice that all changes made after the snapshot was created are gone, and the system is exactly as it was at that time. Snapshots can also be deleted when they are no longer needed. To delete a snapshot, select it from the snapshot list and click Delete. Deleting a snapshot does not delete your virtual machine. It only merges the snapshot data back into the main virtual disk. Using snapshots is one of the safest ways to test updates, install software, or practice configurations in VirtualBox. If you like the video, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.